This isn't just a heat pad. This is Vollrath putting serious heat behind the delivery industry. We'll show step by step how heat pads help delivery bags go the extra mile. First, slide the room temperature heat pad into the delivery bag, making sure the connectors are able to come through the opening. Now align the connector's arrows and plug it into the power cord. Then plug into a power source. Using incorrect voltage or other power cords may damage the pad and void your warranty. Depending on the size of the bag, it may take up to 20 minutes for it to reach proper temperature. Always keep the top of the bag closed to keep the heat inside. Once you've preheated the bag, it's time to unplug the power cord and put it to use. If you need to continue heating the pad in the bag so you can make multiple deliveries or extend the delivery range, simply reconnect the heat pad to a car charger. When cleaning the heat pad, be sure you do not use toxic or corrosive cleaners that will damage the heat pad. Also, do not submerge the pad into water or use excessive amounts of liquid while cleaning the heat pad. Disconnect the pad from the power source and let it cool. Then, wipe it down with a clean, damp cloth. Enjoy your newfound delivery heating powers with a delivery bag that goes the extra mile.